क्लास 12 इको ट्यूशंस पढ़ाता था. I used to go to the gym with my friend and I used to like 3-4 hours in the day मैं वो करता था which made me happy and but the rest 9 to 10 hours I studied for the first 6 months consistently 9 to 10 hours every day. I did not let that go and फिर आखिरी के 2 महीने जब आए 14 to 13 14 15 hours became the normal.
I remember जब when we were getting our result, so उस समय ये ऑनलाइन चेकिंग नहीं होता था. So there was वो जो गजट रिलीज होता था, it was released in Delhi and we used to call from Chandigarh कि भाई रिजल्ट क्या है. So I want the children over there to first know your story and also know why you chose to be a CM. Hello and namaskar. Today is a very special session. So I am Arvind Tuli and I am an Unacademy educator for the last 5 years now. And मैंने बहुत बच्चे ऑनलाइन भी पढ़ाए और उससे पहले फेस टू फेस में आई बीन एन एजुकेटर सिंस 2001. But sometimes you come across one special kid who makes a connect with you. And today I am meeting Kushagra for the first time. And because he's got AIR 31, therefore we get this opportunity. But I look forward to meeting so many of you listening to me today. So work hard and we would love to meet all of you. So welcome Kushagra and congratulations.
Hello, thank you so much.
Your smile is infectious.
I love smiling.
I know. And you really enjoyed your AIR, right?
Yeah.
Right?
It was a delight. It was like a delightful moment. I think you should never hold back from showing on your emotions.
Awesome. I believe live in the moment. And if you've
Yeah.
not enjoyed that moment, kya fayda?
True.
Before we come to you, I will share my moment. I remember when we were getting our result, so उस समय ये ऑनलाइन चेकिंग नहीं होता था. So there was वो जो गजट रिलीज होता था, it was released in Delhi and we used to call from Chandigarh कि भाई रिजल्ट क्या है. So there's a four of us friends. तो हमने में से एक ने हमेशा रिजल्ट सुनना था. तो पहले का उसने सुना, कहता तू हो गया. दूसरे का सुना, हो गया. तीसरी मेरी बारी थी, उसने सुना, कुछ नहीं बोला एंड उसने फिर फोर्थ अपना सुना. So that 1 minute I remember was भाई पता नहीं मैं फेल हो गया. But when he left it, he just jumped onto me and I had a fracture on my thumb for 1.5 months. I sat with that. So I remember that he jumped on me. मैं पीछे गिरा, मेरे thumb में fracture हो गया hairline. So I had to carry a sling for 1.5 months. So CA will give you some immense stories. I want to hear your story now. What is your story? Your father's also a CA, I believe.
Yeah, my dad is in practice. He's the one who convinced me to do the course. And मेरी result story was I was like that type of a guy कि अगर result अच्छा आ गया तो उठा देना, नहीं तो दफना देना. And so I was like at my friend's house. मैंने मम्मा पापा को as I said कल ही बोल दिया था कि मैं अपने दोस्त के घर हूँगा, रिजल्ट में उसके घर देखूंगा, अच्छा है तो I'll be back, नहीं तो एक दिन के लिए and then next day I'll be back. So I was at my friend's house only. हम तो सोचे थे कि रिजल्ट I knew someone had posted from the council कि रिजल्ट मॉर्निंग में ही आ जाएगा. So I knew beforehand कि someone from the council has posted, so it will be there in the morning. And हमने सोचा था, प्लान था कि सोएंगे ही नहीं जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. एक बार रिजल्ट आया आराम से देख के फिर सो जाएंगे आराम से. But obviously 4 बजे तक होता है and फिर the hype dies down and then we slept. And then 4 hours बाद I just woke up because thunder, it was raining that day in Punjab and I checked and everyone was like result out आ गया. And you can never check your own result.
Yeah,
it's very hard. So वो सो रहा था. He's from a non-CA background. तो कॉलेज से आया हुआ था. I was like उठ जा भाई, उठ जा, उठ. And वो हाँ he was like उसकी आंखें लाल. He was like बोले फोन पकड़ और मेरा रिजल्ट देख. And then he opened my result and उसने मेरा रिजल्ट देखा and he just did this to me. And I was like नहीं, and I was like I can't figure out कि तू बताना क्या चाहता है. What does this mean? अच्छा है, बुरा है, क्या है? And then I told him कि एक bandwidth कि अगर 440 नंबर से ऊपर हुआ, just tell me कि don't tell me the marks, just tell me look for a rank. And then he tell भाई rank देखने जा. And then I checked and it was AIR 31.
Wow.
And my mom is an art of living teacher, so she was taking a course at that time. She teaches a lot of people and she didn't pick up the call, professional ethics. I called dad and then we came home. So like that, and then the day basically started with the relative.
Awesome. And these memories, I'm telling you, bache, will never leave you.
Yeah.
They will be there with you, like I just narrated mine as well. So I will not I think you've shared all your strategies, etc.,
Yeah.
with Ankit sir as well, and in the earlier video. So I want the children over there to first know your story and also know why you chose to be a CA. Because I believe you told your father you wanted to be an MBA, but he told you no. So what did he do that you got convinced you should do CA?
I think it's just dad aura. Like, you know, dads still have that influence. Like, I've seen him working hard, and obviously beginning from a family, which is like एक business family से आके और फिर CA करना, and you see the instant rise and the connections you have. So you obviously know this course has that dignity and that respect, which no other profession has. Like,
Yes.
you tell, you even as a CA student, आप किसी को बताते you are doing CA and that guy is amazed कि CA कर रहा है.
I say this in class as
Yeah.
well, है ना?
कि वो बच्चा CA कर रहा है.
हाँ.
And instant reaction is तुम तो 14-15 घंटे पढ़ते होगे.
हाँ.
So like it has that
Respect.
respect, it has that dignity in the market कि ये बंदा CA कर रहा है. Even I recently went to a doctor and I told him कि my mom told him he's a CA student and even he was like CA जैसा कोई course नहीं है इतना. He said it was the toughest course and जब कोई ऐसा profession वाला बोलता है ना, you just know you're on the right path.
Awesome. And this I want everybody out there to listen to. गुमराह नहीं होना है because there are some people out there screaming on the top of their voice that पता नहीं CA को नौकरी नहीं मिल रही है. Trust me, इससे ज़्यादा झूठ कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. And Kushagra, now let's come to your subjects.
Yeah.
This I believe is a profession which has many professions in one degree. So which one is your favorite subject till now?
My favorite subject was no bias, but it was direct tax.
है ना?
Not GST. I did not like, to be honest, I did not like GST at all.
At all.
I loved income tax. मेरे को income tax पढ़ने में जो लोग कहते थे ना GST पढ़ो GST पढ़ो, I was like मैंने GST को around 20 या 40% attention दिया होगा. Then I used to love reading income tax. I used to like अपने खुद से बैठ के I could study income tax for 3-4 hours. It was like that good.
Yeah.
And
I think income tax is like the ocean. It's mystery. It's a movie in itself.
Yeah.
And the more you think you've understood it, the more it mystifies again. And अब तो नया income tax bill भी आ रहा है. So a lot of students keep asking me कि सर CA के बच्चे को rank लाने के लिए कितनी देर पढ़ना पड़ता है?
Yeah.
तो जरा please बताइए उनको कितनी देर पढ़े थे आप?
I think I mentioned it before. Obviously, hard work and dedication is required. For the first 6 months, I mentioned with Ankit sir as well कि I undertook a lot of other activities. My dad will also testify. मैं class 12 eco tuitions पढ़ाता था. I used to go to the gym with my friend and I used to like 3-4 hours in the day. मैं वो करता था which made me happy. And but the rest 9 to 10 hours. I studied for the first 6 months consistently, 9 to 10 hours every day. I did not let that go. And फिर आखिरी के 2 महीने जब आए 14 to 13, 14, 15 hours became the normal. कि उठो खाना खाओ पढ़ो सो जाओ उठो खाना खाओ. So I feel like in the first 6 months the person can enjoy a little liberty. But last 2 महीने I think it's that phase that actually makes or breaks a person. Because I have seen a lot of people the first 6 months they did not do, but in the last 2 months and they got a rank. So those last 2 months, especially consistent, but first 6, but in the last 2 months you can make or break.
I think you said it very nicely. एक तो mind fresh रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So we will not take too much of your time. Just a quick strategy, some tips you want to give everyone preparing for the next few attempts as to how, like you very rightly said कि पहले 4 महीने में थोड़ा सा base build करो, but keep your mind very fresh.
Yes.
So I have a saying, study hard, party harder. Yeah. So it's become like a tagline as well. But now, just a quick summary of direct tax. We'll just put a direct tax and GST.
Yeah.
How you scored 70, I believe.
Yeah.
So how do you get there?
I feel like direct tax के लिए सबसे पहले if you want to score very nice, learn from Ankit sir, Arvind sir, and Arvind sir से पढ़ोगे you'll definitely have an edge above any other teacher. So first step towards scoring high in direct tax, choose Arvind sir. And second step would be consistently.
मैंने तेरे को ये बोलने को बोला नहीं
था. Sir ने नहीं कहा. And I think second step would be I think just blindly follow sir. I feel like I did not do anything separate from what sir said. You cannot do anything separate क्योंकि sir जो plan देते हैं already इतना exhaustive है, इतना complete है कि तुम और कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. Like you can't think of anything else. आपने जो बताया that is like the all round kit. So आपके QRs, आपके रैपिड
QRs are
रिविजन्स
quick revisions, yeah,
या
rapid.
क्विक रिविजन्स, प्रैक्टिस मैनुअल सेशंस, मतलब आप रिवीजन भी कराते थे, फिर आप प्रैक्टिस मैनुअल भी कराते थे। मेन बैच एंड में जाके यू हैव योर रैपिड रिविजन्स और क्विक फायर्स, तो बचा ही क्या है? यू हैव योर मैराथन्स एंड में। सो आई फील लाइक द स्टूडेंट इज ऑलरेडी ब्लेस्ड कि अगर उसके पास इतना कंटेंट है तो बस चुपचाप बैठ के कर लो ना जो सर करा रहे हैं।
And I'm blessed to hear this because this is what
Yeah.
keeps me going after so many years. But yes, I will just sum it up. You know, I was saying कि माउंट एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब करने में पहले इतने साल लगे थे,
Yeah.
पर एक बार हमें वो फॉर्मूला मिल गया था, टेंजिन नॉर्गन, एडमंड हिलरी ने दे दिया था. टुडे लुक, माउंट एवरेस्ट इज blocked because everybody
True.
knows how to reach there. So with our experience, we have the formula, and if a student is ready to do the hard work, I am sure it will be there. It's been a great pleasure talking to you, and all the best, बच्चे. Final में
और ऊपर
yeah.